In this video, I am going to tell you about 5 such things which very few of you would know. Let's start without any delay. Most of the time, many people set the price deal in this way. Doing this will also waste time, and there will also be lack of perfection. There is an option in Illustrator by which you can easily solve this problem. For this, first press Tab between the name and price. By doing this, a space will appear between every word. This will create a gap as per your requirement. You cannot control it. After this, you have to go to the Windows option. If you scroll down a bit, you will find a Type option. Inside it, you will find a Tab option, whose shortcut is Shift-Control-T. By doing this, a panel will open in front of you. We will hold it from the side and increase its size. Now, if you notice, then there are many small icons made in the upper left corner. From that, we will select the Right Justified tool and will give it a length as per our requirement. You can see that it got adjusted by you as soon as you give the gapping. In this gapping, if you want to fill any other leader, then you can give that leader here. It will fill it automatically, as I can see by giving different leaders. And yes, you can adjust that gap from here. Now, if you have to add a ladder in this, then I will simply type it and it will keep getting adjusted automatically. I hope you have understood. If you still have any problem, then you can follow this list.
Now what you can see on the screen. Basically it looks like abstract effect, but I have added magnetic effect in it, due to which it is going together with one another. Let's see how it is made. First, we will take 2 circles. We will keep a little gapping between both so that our active effect is also visible. Select both the circles and come to Appearance. If you are not able to see this panel on your screen, to turn it on, you have to go a little down on the window and you will see the Appearance option. The shortcut is Shift plus F6. So after selecting both the circles, we will go to Appearance tab. We will add a stroke here. After that, we have to find Path option under FX. Under Path option, you will see Offset Path option. We will select that. Now we will increase the default value a little from the one which is in front of us. If you select the value and press the upper key, it will gradually increase. You can add that value as per your wish. We will continue the same process 2 or 3 times. After this, we will go into the object and create a compound path. However, you can do this also by right-clicking. The shortcut is Ctrl plus 8. Your effect is ready. According to me, it looks a little wrong. Let us adjust it. If we move it a little forward and backward, it will be fine. Now to add more shapes in this effect, we will double-click on the upper part of this circle, and it will come inside the compound path. To add a new shape, you just have to click and drag the Shape tool. This will add the same effect. Like this, you can add any other shape. We will add 2 more shapes. I hope you have understood this effect. If you practice it once, you will be able to do it. Even after that, if you face any problem, then follow this list. Thirdly, we will teach you how to make a pattern. Many people might know this. Still, if you want, you can see the process. For this, I have already prepared a design. If you want to learn pattern drawing also, then you can comment. Normally, beginners distributes patterns like this, but in big companies doing large quantity work, this process will not be followed. For this, first you will select the design. Then you will come to the Object option. Here in the middle, you will get the Pattern option. Go into it and select it. Then it will open a panel in front of you. Basically, here you can adjust the patterns as per your wish. You will get a lot of options here.
But that is not that important. If you want, you can ignore it. There is an opacity option here for preview. There is a different style above. You can choose any style from here. And you can adjust the gapping of the page from here. After everything is done, you will get the Done option on the upper left side corner. This is of no use now. Let's delete it. The pattern that you have created just now will be available in the Pattern option under the Swatches tab. Select it. And if you draw any shape on the artboard, it will automatically become a pattern. You can create as big a pattern as you want. I hope you have understood this. It is not that difficult. Still, if you have any problem, take a screenshot of it. If you want to design something like this yourself, then how will you do it? If you are not aware about the Global Edit option, then you can prepare it like this. But you can do this in a single click. Let's start from the beginning. First, I have taken one word. I will duplicate it and keep a little gap for blending. Now, with the help of Blend tool, if we select first word and then second word, then it will get blended. Its shortcut is Alt-Control-B. Now go to the object and expand it. Let us reduce the size a little. By pressing Alt on the keyboard, take a duplicate and rotate it 180 degrees. Select both of them, Ctrl-C. And by pressing Ctrl-F, put the copy plus paste in front and rotate it 90 degrees. Now you have to select any one of these and come to the Select option. Now below the Object option, you will find the Global Edit option. Press that. Now you can see that the border of the one you have selected has turned red, meaning it is ready to be given the effect. Now we will take the Prospective option under the Free Transform tool, and we will transform with this. By editing one, all the others have been edited with this. This is called Global Edit. It is very simple. I hope you have understood. If not, then the guide is here. What you can see on the screen looks like an abstract effect. To make this, we need a rectangle. Now we will go to the Effect option. There you will see the Distort and Transform options. Inside that, you will get Transform. As soon as you select this, a panel will open in front of you. Keep the default setting as it is. Just make the horizontal to 90%, make the angle option a little lower to 7, and keep increasing the copies. Turning on the preview is very helpful. Now come to its node and make it round. If you learned something from this video, then give it a like. If you want more tutorials like this, then tell me in the comments. If you want to support, then subscribe. We will meet again in the next video.